Hi, my name is Beatrice, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about a very interesting phenomenon, which involves different physical concepts such as pressure and gravity. So, let's check it out. Hey, have you ever wondered why some objects float or sink in a liquid, or even how we can feel them lighter? If you notice, regardless the size of different objects, whether it be a tiny boat or a huge ship, for instance, the same physical property is applied. So, what is this phenomenon anyway? It's called buoyancy. When we get this ball submerged, the water exerts an upward force on it, opposite to the gravitational attraction. This force is a consequence of pressure increasement due to the depth. Therefore, the pressure under the ball is stronger than above it. Also, there is a relation between the buoyancy and the displaced liquid. The buoyant force is equal to the weight of the fluid it displaces. This relation is called Archimedes' principle, being applicable for liquids and gases, both fluids. Well, it's important to remember that it's the object's volume that determines the buoyant force and not its weight. But of course, the weight plays an important role as well. Let's check a few situations. If an object is denser than the fluid in which it is immersed, it will sink. If an object is less dense than the fluid in which it is immersed, it will float. And lastly, if an object has the same density as the fluid in which it is immersed, it will neither float or sink. And here we can see the formula for buoyancy. Now, let me make a question. Consider a 1-ton block that is much denser than water. And quickly, we notice it's gonna sink, right? So, what is the solution to make a 1-ton iron block float? We gotta model this in order to gain more space and volume, just like a bowl. But yes, it will still have the same 1 ton of weight. So the more this bowl-shaped block sinks, the more water it displaces and can float. Ultimately, when the buoyant force equals the 1 ton of weight, it won't sink anymore. So, as we could see, buoyancy is a great and useful concept present in our lives. Now we can better understand how even massive submarines control their movements, where the same property is also applied to fish and other marine animals. Well, for now that's all. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.